Hi everyone, my name is Nishiketh Ganesh. I have cleared my CA final exams in the November 2022 attempt. It is really a dream come true, not just for me but also for my parents, because now that I look at them, all I can see is tears of joy in their eyes. I have been associated with Himakan sir for quite a while, for quite some time, and I have learned many new techniques under him. Let me talk about few of them. The first one is focus block slots. Before joining this program, I used to study continuously for a period of 10 to 12 hours each day, but without any proper plan in place. So focus block slots is nothing but you have 50 minutes of reading, 5 minutes of revision, and 5 minutes of resting for each hour. This is each hour. So we have such slots, 10 of such slots for each day. So we are effectively studying for 10 hours every day with a proper plan in place. So this was really helpful. Second technique which I've learned was FTR, 5-time revision. This is the single most powerful weapon, I would say, which you can use in your preparation, because for me personally this has helped in my group 1 exams. All the answers started coming at the back of the mind, and I didn't stop writing in the exam, so that was a plus point. This is the first time where I was able to answer almost the entire question paper, be it practical or theory. So FTR is a very powerful technique. Third one is your EMT, exam mistake tracker. This is my personal favorite because only when you know your mistakes will you be able to rectify them, and only when you know your the mistakes of your colleagues or your co-students will you not make them in your own exam. So this is the one with this one technique is what I will advise. And then there are other techniques which help with your mindset, such as box breathing technique. It really helps to bring back your focus in the game. So for those who have second thoughts of joining this program under Himakan sir, the only question I would like to ask you is, how badly or how soon do you want to clear your exams? I struggled clearing these exams for a period of 1.5 years, and I was really frustrated looking at the same books, same topics. So I asked the same question to myself: how badly do I want to clear? The answer was pretty clear, because I didn't want to sit with the books any longer. So I didn't have any second thoughts. I blindly trusted sir and his process, and the result is in front of you. I hope you also get to see this day in your life. I wish you all the best for your exams. Thank you.